All right, y'all, so it is that time. I have been waiting to share this sneaker with you guys. You guys have been knowing the struggle. For those who've been watching a lot of stuff like that, when it came to me copping this sneaker, y'all see the Kobe box, and you know what? We ain't got nothing else to do, but we're gonna have to show it to you guys. Today we're gonna be unboxing, talking about what some people are saying is the best Kobe Protro of 2025. I don't think so. Today we're going to be talking about unboxing and reviewing the Nike Kobe Protro 5 Caitlin Clark's in the Indiana Fever colorway. How nice is this sneaker? And is it worth the resale? Let's talk about it.
I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but
hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we got another unboxing for you guys. And yeah, I'm excited about this one. But before we get up into this detailed look at the sneaker and unboxing, make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. I am on my live train, man. I've been going live a lot lately, and if you guys have not been tapping into the lives, please make sure you guys go ahead and do that. Make sure you got your notification bell turned on, because we will be going live constantly a lot with a new podcast, Beyond Crease Podcast. Man, it's definitely going to be dope vibes, a lot of great content, a lot of great conversations, and I would definitely love to have you guys input on that, so make sure you guys tap into that. Now, let's go ahead and talk about this sneaker. Now, this is a sneaker that had a lot of controversy, in my opinion, because, man, a lot of people were just like, oh, they shouldn't have gave Caitlin Clark Kobe's shoe. Kobe's shoe shouldn't have been for Caitlin Clark. She don't need him to. But it was just a lot of crap, not understanding the concept of that. Hey, it's an honor to get a PE from somebody, especially for your first sneaker. Not only a PE, but a PE from a great like Kobe Bryant. So to everybody that's just all over this Caitlin Clark thing, because for whatever reason, listen, it is a PE. She would get her own sneaker, but her shoes would not sell more than Kobe Bryant shoes. It is what it is. But the fact that they gave her a Kobe Bryant PE is crazy work. That is an honor. So put some respect on that name. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the box. As you guys can see right here, we do have a black Kobe box. You feel what I'm saying? It's the reptilian skin. It has a Kobe Bryant logo on it. It is no Caitlin Clark branding anywhere on this sneaker. So again, it is a PE. This is the size tag. Go ahead and pause the video if you guys need to legit check your prayer. You got the Nike branding on the other end of the box. Opening up this box, we do have the black and gold Mamba paper in there along with the white paper. But that is going to be it for the box. All right, so starting with the shoes, as you guys can see here, we have a predominantly navy blue, dark blue upper. And it does have the Indiana Fever colorway, which this shoe is paying homage to the fact that she does play. Caitlin Clark does play for the Indiana Fever, the WNBA team. But the back end is where I want to start on. As you guys can see on this back end, this thing's like the J Balvin's. It has like a sunset type vibes. You got the Kobe logo right there. Again, no Caitlin Clark branding on this sneaker, which is why a lot of people are upset. But you do have that sunset on that booty right there, kind of like an orange and a yellow, kind of red type vibes, blended right there, super clean. You have the blue upper right here, navy blue upper, going into the navy blue upper right there. Going on the inner side of the shoe, as you guys can see right here, it is going to be the exact same thing as the rest of the shoe, except for you're going to have that multi-color way that kind of matches Indiana Fever colorways, as it goes from like a hyper orange, like a pink color, all the way down to yellow on that swoosh. On the laces, you're going to have the same thing. You got these like red orange laces. You got the Mamba logo that's going to be in that navy blue. You got the yellow behind the tongue, the orange on the tongue, the orange laces, and then also behind there you do have that yellow colorway, which breaks up the blue very well. Toe box quality, as you guys can see, you do have some lighter spickle spackle light blue paint right there, but you do have the reptilian skin going across the sneaker, as you guys can see right there. Then toe box, you have the 24 written on the front end of the shoe as always. It is the exact same thing on the outer side of the shoe. You have a navy blue outsole, and then on the bottom you do have the carbon fiber shank plate right there. You have the yellow Mamba logo on the bottom with the traction, so beautiful. And then you have hints of that oranges red from the Indiana Fever colorway right there. There are no extra laces on these things. Both shoes are exactly identical. Nothing different about each sneaker. I'm going to show you guys the insole. Normally they do something crazy when it comes to the insoles of Kobe's, like maybe some stat lines or something like that. But for this one, they did not do that at all. But as you guys can see right here, just a typical insole. You got the Mamba logo in that Indiana Fever colorway. And that is pretty much it for the insole of this sneaker. Blue sock liner right here. As you guys can see, behind there is going to be yellow behind the tongue. And that is pretty much it for the sneaker. All in all, nice sneaker. Definitely think that they did execute well on this sneaker. I feel like that this is not a bad PE. I feel like it's not a bad PE. When it comes between this one and the previous PE that we had, which is the PJ Tucker joints, hold 1 second. I would let you guys make your determining factor on which one you think is better, but PJ Tucker did have a Kobe PE, as you guys can see right here. Caitlin Clark, PJ Tucker. I would let you guys decide on which one you think is better. Both shoes are clean in my opinion. Glad I was able to add both of them to the collection for retail, man. But that is pretty much it for these. As far as resale goes for the Caitlin Clarks, they are up there in price. They're like right around $450 my size, which is a 12 or 12.5. They are sitting right there. If you were able to get these for retail and you're going to resell them, this was actually a come up. I think they were not going to do that well, in my opinion, because a lot of people didn't like this colorway until they heard about the 13,000 stock numbers. But if you're worried about sizing and all that stuff, I'm going to do a separate video, but go up a half a size when it comes to these Kobe's if you got a wide foot. If you're going to be actually hooping in these, and you have more of a skinnier foot, true to size, you could probably get away with, but I'm always adamant about going up a half a size when it comes to these Kobe's. But that's all I got for y'all. Y'all let me know if it's something that y'all would mess with, if this colorway could have been done better. Do y'all get offended that they're giving Caitlin Clark for her first shoe a Kobe PE? Do y'all feel like that shouldn't have happened? Nike should have done something differently? And do y'all like these renditions, the new renditions of Kobe's, or do y'all think they need to stick to the old? Just be giving us the old Kobe Protro. Just give us the OG colorways. But that's all I got for y'all. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, and I was hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Caitlin Clarks, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in this video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get 'em. We got fat, we got you.